Hello everyone. Today we will learn Python input and output. So how the user can take input from the user and how we can display data on your screen or on output screen in like monitor. So now we are starting to learn about the input and output and how we can print the message, how we can print the variable values in Python. So Python provides numerous built-in functions that allow you to output data and take input from the user. So in this lesson we will learn about two such functions. First, print function, and second, input functions. So first we will learn about the print function. We use the print function to display data to the standard output device, you can also say on screen. In this picture you will see the print. This statement is output to the screen. So in this function, in the print function, in the parenthesis you can see there is a message which is enclosed in a double in quotation mark, and there is a message is this sentence is output to the screen. So this print function will give you as output this sentence is output to the screen. So the print function print the content inside the parenthesis A. So now we can say the print function print the values or print the content. Even here, even there is a value or even there is a message, it will print whatever it is written in a parenthesis. Now we will see how we can print the variables. So here in this example there is a program a equal to 5, and then it will print the value, the variable a. So it will give output 5. Next, b equal to hello. So the string is stored in the variable b. When I will use print b, so it will give hello. So you can see it will give the variable value, whatever it in the variable you can print using the print function in Python. Print more than one variable at a time. So how you can print more than one variable? It is very easy. If you want to print more than one object, more than one variable at a time, simply we separate them by commas. So in this example you can see the value of a and b I am printing now, and then I make a comma in between a and b. So a space was added between these two variables by default. When you see the output very carefully, so it will print 5 and then there is a space and then there is a hello. So 5 and between the 5 and hello there is a space. It's by default when you print in Python. Here another example of print. You can see in picture age equal to 25 and name equal to Jack. So when I print age and name, so it will give the output as in this picture. So you notice that age 25 and name Jack are printed in different lines. Why? Because the print function adds line break character at the end by default. So when you will use to print, so first it will print the value and then goes to the next line. It is by default. Example 2, print function. So in this example we will see the use of the newline character. The character signifies the end of line of text and the start of a new line. As you can see in picture, the to print statement and the first in print statement, there is a message first line, and then 2/n, and then the second print, it is second line. So you can see carefully the output. It will print the first line. Okay, now /n means it goes to the next line. This means second line. Then another /line, it will goes to the next line. This means the third line. And after the third line, it is the second print statement will execute, and it will print second line. So notice that use of the /n characters in the first print function. Okay, next thing, how we can take input from the user. Okay, first, if you want to take any input from the user and store it a variable, so you use input function. Here we will see how we can take the variable values. So first of all, there is a variable name, and I am storing the value in the variable name. So I will write the variable name, which is the name is name equal to, and I am using input function. So I will write input, input, parenthesis open, and double quotation marks, enter name. Print hello, there is a message, and then comma, because I am using the variable name. So hello, comma, and name. So what will be the output here? Hello. Here the program display enter name. When you run the program, then you can enter a string which is stored in a variable name. So we have stored Jack string in the variable name, so it will print the hello. And what is the variable name, variable value in the name? Jack. So whatever you will give, not the Jack is fixed, whatever you will give, it will print here as the variable name. Input function returns string. So be careful, the input function always returns a string. For example, a equal to input, enter something, and when you print a, so it will give output 55. How? Here a variable containing string 55.